Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 23. Be involved in your children's schoolwork.
When fathers show an interest in their children's schoolwork and help them sometimes with their homework, it sends a signal to the child that this area is one of importance. This will help to keep the child motivated at school and focus on achieving their best because they know that Dad is interested. Showing an interest in how they are going in their school subjects can be as easy as asking over a meal or encouraging them when they have showed an improvement. It may also uncover areas that they may struggle with in school, which can give rise to an opportunity to discuss this with a teacher or to seek out some extra tutoring if possible. Like most things in life, it is easier if the children experience their father's interest in their schoolwork at an early age and develop an open dialogue within the family around the subject of schoolwork. This can head off many potential misunderstandings and frustrations as the children grow, and the school workload does too. It is not possible to accurately measure the power of a kind or encouraging word to a child or young person, but ask yourself this question: can you remember something someone said to you when you were a child? Showing interest in your child's schooling can sometimes make a tremendous difference in a young life and reap benefits for many generations to come.
Suggested action.
Show an interest regularly in the kids' schoolwork and assist them any way you can.
Scripture references.
Deuteronomy chapter 6 verses 6 to 7. And these words which I command you today shall be in your heart. You shall teach them diligently to your children, and shall talk of them when you sit in your house, when you walk by the way, when you lie down, and when you rise up.
A father's testimony.
Being a dad. What does this mean to me? Well, this is definitely a difficult answer to find words for. First off, having my little girl provides me with purpose, motivation, and courage to face the world head-on for her. She is the reason why I push harder and carry myself how I do. My love for her is beyond words, and I simply want to strive to be the best dad I can be. Understanding no one is perfect, but in that little girl's eyes, I am her everything, and setting a good example for her is all I can do. So, in summary, being a dad means the world to me. Dad equals life. Arturo, Phoenix, Arizona.